here's why you will never get anything good for free in Brew Star. Because the way they're throwing the dice is literally getting on my nerve. It's like they're intentionally trying to ruin our life. But the real question is, are we getting scammed? So the chance of you getting the number you want in a D20 dice is only 5%. And in the past few days, we have learned to never let Danny roll again. But guess what? Even though these clips are pre-recorded and they already know what we are going to get, but still I'm 70% sure that this event is not rigged, at least for the first 6 days, because cheating on a D20 dice is genuinely hard, even if you're trying to scam us with a bad number. But I would still prefer if we throw the dice with a lot more spin, because right now it seems like they want us to get the bad number. Sure, this throw was great, but it's Danny, it's bad luck. Hopefully they will rig the dice and break the economy with the $1